Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. You guys did great on last week's test. You guys did great on last week's test. Everyone passed. Everyone passed. Except for Sarah, you failed. Except for Sarah, you failed. I was tricked by everyone, Mr. Smith. I was tricked by everyone, Mr. Smith. That's water under the bridge, Sarah. That's water under the bridge, Sarah. Let's focus on the next project. Let's focus on the next project. This is incredibly important for your future. This is incredibly important for your future. You can't solve all the problems on your own. You can't solve all the problems on your own. That's why you're now working in groups of two. That's why you're now working in groups of two. You have to make a video about the other person. You have to make a video about the other person. The video should introduce your partner. The video should introduce your partner. Morgan and Steve, you will be in a group. Morgan and Steve, you will be in a group. I love working with you, Steve. I love working with you, Steve. I love working with you too, Morgan. I love working with you too, Morgan. Lisa, you will work with Sarah. Lisa, you will work with Sarah. Mr. Smith, I don't want to work with Sarah. Mr. Smith, I don't want to work with Sarah. I don't want to work with Lisa either. I don't want to work with Lisa either. I don't like her. I don't like her. I don't like you either, Sarah. I don't like you either, Sarah. Stop fighting with each other. Stop fighting with each other. You will work together in a group. You will work together in a group. Whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not. I don't think we have a choice, Sarah. I don't think we have a choice, Sarah. Unfortunately not. We meet tomorrow at my place. Unfortunately not. We meet tomorrow at my place. Let's get this done as soon as possible. Let's get this done as soon as possible. No, I went to your house last time. No, I went to your house last time. Meet me at my house tomorrow after school. Meet me at my house tomorrow after school. Okay, I'll see you there. Okay, I'll see you there. One day later. One day later. Hi, Sarah. Welcome to our home. Hi, Sarah. Welcome to our home. Hello, Mr. Peters. Thank you very much for the invitation. Hello, Mr. Peters. Thank you very much for the invitation. Come on, I made you pancakes. Come on, I made you pancakes. How delicious. I never get to eat pancakes at home. How delicious. I never get to eat pancakes at home. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. Wow, this is really tasty. Wow, this is really tasty. My father won't let me eat sugar. My father won't let me eat sugar. My dad makes the best pancakes. My dad makes the best pancakes. So, Sarah, I need to make a video about you. So, Sarah, I need to make a video about you. Tell me more about yourself. Tell me more about yourself. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I study for school. I study for school. Don't you have any hobbies? Don't you have any hobbies? I don't have time for that. I don't have time for that. My dad says I need to get good grades. My dad says I need to get good grades. What do you do in your spare time? What do you do in your spare time? I like to go swimming. I like to go swimming. Sometimes my dad and I watch a movie together. Sometimes my dad and I watch a movie together. Or we go out for ice cream. Or we go out for ice cream. That sounds like fun. That sounds like fun. Unfortunately, my dad doesn't have time for that. Unfortunately, my dad doesn't have time for that. He's just working. He's just working. And what about your mom? And what about your mom? My mom lives in America. My mom lives in America. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. I think I owe you an apology. I think I owe you an apology. What I did was not fair. What I did was not fair. I lied to you to get a good grade. I lied to you to get a good grade. That's not the kind of thing you do. That's not the kind of thing you do. I'm really sorry, Lisa. I'm really sorry, Lisa. I accept your apology. I accept your apology. What I did was not nice either. What I did was not nice either. I wanted to get revenge on you so badly. I wanted to get revenge on you so badly. But I misjudged you. But I misjudged you. Do we want to be friends? Do we want to be friends? That would be great. That would be great. Great. Then come on. Let's shoot the video now. Great. Then come on. Let's shoot the video now. What is Sarah not allowed to eat at home? A, fruit. B, meat. C, sugar. Leave a comment. What is Sarah not allowed to eat at home? A, fruit. B, meat. C, sugar. Leave a comment.